Good evening, everyone. Let me know if you're seeing me. Let me know if you are hearing me. If you are seeing and hearing me clearly, welcome to another episode of Extra Class. Good evening, everyone. Let me know if you're seeing me. So, like, microphone, like, crap. What? You are seeing. I mean, I know every time I come on from more their microphone, it's a crack up. So, you understand me? I say, but we are going to see if we can sort it out there. I mean, I know every time I come on from more yeah, that sounds better. So we can mute that now. Peeps, evening. Hope everybody finish cook already and eat and belch and then sitting there and relax now and them something. I trust that everybody has been having a wonderful weekend. I trust that everybody is safe. I trust that everybody is ready and waiting for all a reason. You understand me? I say, peeps. So I have a this evening, yeah, red shirt again, peeps. The ladies then say they love a red shirt. They may forget some more. So that one I wash it too. I'm gonna wash it one Friday night. You understand? So that one I feel ladies them. They say red shirt. So we have got red shirt settings. See, remember oil water and catching speak up, please. You know what I say? Funny enough, what they have on Instagram, because a boomer say yes, somebody follow me, I check it. Now water follow the eye, you understand? So me I wonder if they get the message, so me just running back on the water, you understand? Then say, what they say? Work without faith is dead. So me I put in the work. You understand? So peeps, episode number 64, though we're not there home, we use a different classroom for the time being, and then we run the lesson here after, you see me, but you know a thing, you should have to go on and things. So I just say a thing. I set up something I said before I start anything. You understand what I say? Oh, my son. You know that every day. And then say, let me set up that. Give me a minute there, peeps. Yeah, things set up here, so good already. So welcome to Extra Class again. As I said, episode 64. This is the second lesson that is not streamed on Teach Them itself, but will be uploaded later on. You know what thing go, because the show have to go on. Big up to the people who were there. Big up to the people who were tuning in Friday night and help me a thing gone on a level. You understand me? I said I'd have uploaded the video back on the parent channel on Friday, and the video do well just the same. You understand? So we have to give thanks to that said we and big up the people who were there already. See, enough people don't really know what I go on it, but hopefully as time goes by, them it's a free family. I mean, I have a power for do that in a brother. You understand what I say? As time goes by, more and more people circle the ends and you don't know anything go. So more big up some people before me even get started. You understand? Paul Gooding, Wayne Cautious, Anna and J.A. Review, Millicent Thomas McDermott, Patsy Brown, Jasmine Reynolds, Jasmine are there today, Empress Love, Julian Smith, Millicent Thomas McDermott, Pauline Smith, Romario Toretto, Dada F. You know F meaning a people. Dada family F meaning answer. That me I work with. Empress Riley Express. Zane, Tamira 187 article where you deal with Julian saying belly full family. Kingston 2, that's a random guy. Empress A what go on. Crime Minister Jamaica. What you say? You're there, my brother. I see a word. Born winner. Every time I see that name, I love it. Melrose Scott. Zane, Simple Sin. Hey beautiful, how are you? Shelly M, CT Fabulous, Peter Bryan, Acacia Music. Some people there, some people check in. So that a through. I was never through where you did on my farm class. Then. Me used to teach on youth and name well. Let me never teach him, but you know my farm class one at a time. That are through. Big up yourself, family. I see a word. So, peeps, a portion of things go on as usual since we talk Friday night. Zane, Panjam Rock. You understand? Jamaica land we love. Land of food and water. Zane, land of Bob Marley, Usain Bolt, Vice Cartel, Marcus Garvey, Vibes Cartel, Tamil. Mr. Vibes Cartel 2 times, though. Tamil and a portion of people. Mr. Vegas. But I see a little thing before me come on, Mr. Vegas has some police beat him. Well, they never really see them beat him. So them squeeze his neck and prevent him from going to talk to Gino Jennings and then sitting there. You understand what I say? So I don't really know to go on with that something. I get the video, I then to get for done watch it. I just come off the road and see it. You know, I have to come to class. Because I don't really want to cuss me like that neither. You understand? So peace, ready or no? Brother and a politician among 3 shots. Brother of politician among 3 shots in Canaan. The fowler finally coming home to roost, isn't it? You understand what I say? I say Vegas a clown around town. Boy, I mean I know still. You sound like you watch a video already, Romario. Zane, fee real meds. Oh, I go on family. Marjan, what you dealt with? Giggles. Man has a respect. Yeah, he must say some police bar him from a talk to Gino Jennings after they invite him and squeeze him throat. And him say them and get transfer and him call it commissioner because they don't know who you're playing with. Tongue and all, you know. You understand me? I say, Tony Brown just checking in. I say a word family. Zane. Yeah, so I guess me get a better look at it. Don't I think. I think I upload the video still. You understand? But me see what go on and chat to about it if we have to chat to about it. Brother of politician among 3 shot in Clarendon. I tell you what go on Clarendon, you know. Same Clarendon, Mike Henry come say, hey, me I want to know my place, you know, and stop call up my place, you know, because right now I stigmatize my community, you know. Community where man I drop like a flyer now, Mike Henry and say, yeah, what go on, peace and love today. You see me, I say, me see him come in a paper what there, a ball. I say, it thinks that we and the police, them this and that after him said, want to tell the police them for law in place. You understand what I say? I don't know what them really want. Annie Alcini, welcome, my friend. Good night to all the viewers in Canada. Good evening to all the viewers in Canada. Happy to have you, my friend. So what you know? What you say? Say the roasting again, Ronaldo. I don't understand that. Zane, watch me now. So the Canaanites, a portion of thing I want on Canaanites. Remember the male and female where them killed the other day, where people are say a Bonaman thing and thing. I mean, I say, I don't know if I saw it still. They were killed in Canaanites. My information is also suggesting that they were new to the era. So I don't know if I visit them, go visit, or say I move them, just move them, or whatever. But them did that. You understand? Now, one man was killed by gunmen in Canaanites after being chased and shot in the head. Zane, he was in the company of 2 other men, including a brother of Carla Watt. Carla Watt is the counselor. I think she's the PNP counselor. I don't know, one of them. KB Sexy, so I want Empress. Good to have you. Zane, I don't know the political affiliation of the counselor. So nobody quote me on that one. But the counselor for the Canaanites division, her name is Carla Watt. Her brother was one of the men who was shot. He was injured. The dead man is Richard All OC Cat or Sky. So them call him Cat and them call him Sky. Zane, he was in, I think they said they were walking home and men approached them, hope on fire. Richard All ran. He was chased, shot in the head and shot in the upper body. All 3 persons were taken to hospital where Cat would have died. Suppose his proverbial 9 life would have expired, so to speak, and in spirit kind of gone skywards, you know, if we stick to certain things. Peace, and I joke out of it. I just couldn't avoid it. You understand what I say? Zane, so Canaanites, Canaan is somewhere in the Bible. They don't. Same thing I tell you again. I don't know, yeah, man. Oh, yeah, so the fall come home to roast. Yeah, I understand what you're saying, brother. Chickens have come home to roast. So you go. You understand? And the truth of the matter, if we start about that, is a whole next class. But we are left that for your next time. You understand? Running along. Wishing her continuous good health and long living. It's a blessing to live that long. I don't know who them attack. So. Yes, Liverpool keeper sell out the game. The better side with the game, brother. Unfortunately, we have to Salah, but I suppose the same thing we have to Salah and to Carval as well. I suppose Salah would be a greater miss for Liverpool than Carval would have been for Madrid. Them tell me at work, say, Klopper got out coach Zidane and crap. Look, mistakes happen in football. You understand what I say? Remember, say, Isco hit the crossbar too, even though I tell me say Mane lit the upright and thing. Yeah, I have to take a segue and talk about local football thing still. When you tell us say Klopper got out, well, them tell me at work say Klopper got out coach Zidane because Zidane has no pedigree. Zidane has won 3 Champions League in a row. You tell me the man on the pedigree. Watch you now. Next thing, Zidane won the game when he took out Isco. Because for me I say, what Zidane do? Because Isco was Madrid's best player up to the point that he was substituted. I say, how Zidane can take off the best player? I thought he was going to take off Karim Benzema and take off Isco, and the player when put on come win the match. You understand? So basically, Zidane out coach Klopp. Yes, Karius make one schoolboy error with the first goal, but the man them equalize. Zane, and after them equalize, Madrid take the lead without a mistake. It's a world-class goal. You understand what I say? The match could have done 2-1 just the same as 3-1. Zane, I just one of them things. Watch out now. Teach just running down the corridor. And I see I heard, brother. But it's kind of cool off at about Champions League. So congrats to all the Madridistas. And I'm glad say Liverpool now in the Champions League. Me I tell you, I want English team to win Champions League and a Chelsea. I'm dead serious. You understand? But Liverpool would have played well throughout the season and thing. So you know what thing go. But Madrid, you understand? Well done. Gun seized during raid in Portmore. This is about the 5th gun where police find at Portmore within the space of a week, peeps. You understand? It's come like them a make gun over Portmore there because it will look like say as the police reach a Portmore, them find a gun and wait upon them. One man was arrested following the seizure of the .38 revolver. About 5 p.m., police was in the Gortuka area of Portmore, where the weapon was seen in a plastic bag. One man was on the premises and he was arrested and charged. As I said, sometime last week, the police them running upon one fishing village near Waterford there, so, and them find 2 guns. Them go somewhere else at Portmore, them find 2 more, now them find. You understand what I say? So well done by the police officers. The sad reality is that for everyone gonna come off of the street, 10 more up on the street. You understand what I say? Chelsea Hazard, what go on? You say live a fool for life. I say I heard me live a fool, friend. See, you don't know say a royal blue true and true. It ain't true if it ain't blue, man. I wanna talk sky blue and a royal blue. You see me I say? Mad. See? But you don't know all of your family said we, so we not too beat it too bad. You understand me I say? Next thing I know, peeps, another man has been shot dead in East Kingston. That happened Friday in the Pleasant Heights area. United teach, not blue. Now see a word still, we United in the class. But a royal blue, me think the family, you understand? And you can't bully me neither. You understand? Everywhere deep J say, we don't bully body, you understand? Because we fully body. You see me I say, a royal blue thing, man. United, the greatest English team ever, the biggest club of England, one of the biggest clubs in the world. We can't take that. Liverpool was a great team. You understand what I say? But a royal blue, me think the family. You understand what I say? Forever. My daughter named Chelsea. Just keep it there, sir. You understand what I say? So we don't even talk about it no further. Our winning's right there, sir. Watch me now. His name is Jason Bryan. He is 23-year-old and he's unemployed. And I Jason, if I wake up. I don't know. Me asleep still. I don't know. What you want to talk about? Yeah, that's that. See it? So Jason Bryan, 23-year-old, unemployed, has been killed. So listen to the story about this brother, you know. Kind of intriguing. You understand what I say? I'll be a laugh all over that. They will laugh, you see. See it? Watch me, you know. Jason Bryan, you know, 23-year-old unemployed brother. He was shot and killed out of East there. Then Friday. You understand? It is alleged that 6 hours earlier, a man identified as Damien Downey, OC Shane Dog, he was killed. So Shane Dog, it is believed, was killed as a result of an ongoing gang feud in the area. Zane, Jason Bryan, 23-year-old, it's a film story. It is alleged that about a couple of months ago, Jason used to live in the area and him doors to a man house with a corrosive substance. He never say what kind of substance, he just say corrosive. And running from the area. Now, reports are that he went back to the area on Friday to visit a family member who was ailing. See, so it's like he probably go visit him family member and some man here say him dead out and them just circle him and burn him. Yeah, so I say. So I don't know what him and the man when they dose him house have. But it's like say them here say him dead out. I mean I say the man also him dose involved in that thing, you know. Teach guard two car in my backyard. You see, why me I get afraid now? Zane, Mr. Thomas, here we go on. We can't make fear get the best away, you know. You understand? Because if everybody get afraid, then what go happen? You see me I say, me understand say self-preservation is key and it is critical, but at the end of the day, we have to stand up and fight. Don't you understand me I say? The good thing is that we never hear say police go around there, go retrieve any dead body or go to a crime scene, them go and them find a gun. So I guess we have to take the blessing out of the thing said we and thank God for small mercies. Though me understand the concern, but what me answer the truth of the matter is that we can't live a life in a fear because I win them when if do that. You understand? As Alkaline said, the only thing me fear is fear. You understand? That thing scare me. You see me I say, but just have to live here and try to live life to the fullest while we can and give thanks to every day we have breath. See, and just go and hold out while we exist. You understand what I mean? I say, I just say a thing. You see me I say, me personally, don't really live my life in a fear. You understand? I kind of realize at the end of the day, fear kind of crippling and it don't make no sense. You understand? So we just live, we still know the road code, we still chad, you understand, and we still be careful, but at the end of the day, we not make them, you understand what I say? We're not frightened for nobody. You understand what I say? I just say thing go more, Empress. But I understand your concern. But as me I say, it could have been worse. It could have been a situation where you say 2 persons were killed in Gortuka and police have to go around there. We find out is a gun them fine. You understand what I say? So I just say thing go. See? Peeps, the people that me watch the stream, I don't like the stream for me. I want them to know. You understand? Do the right thing, man. Watch out now. But sometimes you can't help being fearful. I understand that another time here, but me I say, you know, me personally still, the fear thing not really in my vocabulary still. I just be careful and be wise and know the streets and know the road code and certain places you know go and certain things you know do. But at the end of the day still, my dogs them have to live. Whoa, you understand what I say? We have to live because you know make no sense. We go on like say we want to hide from the reality. We have to face reality and try to fix it. You understand what I say? I just that's the thing there. But I understand the concerns them, seeing. And there's no way we couldn't go and like say concerns them not real and thing. But we just have to go and fight it though. So me I say, you know, Mr. J.C. Bryan fellow, you know, him go back at the place to look for one of him family member was sick and him lose him life. You understand? As me said them say a couple months ago, him and somebody must have a dispute and him doused the house with some corrosive. Him say corrosive, me assume say acid involved on him something. I don't know if anybody was hurt or injured, but that's a work off away the you know the mainstream media. I understand me I say. But he would have been the second person who was killed in the area in less than 6 hours. Seeing because they don't kill Damien Downey, we tell us a film alias a Shane Dog. You understand? And them I say it's a tit for tat thing, gang feud, turf feud, gang war, fear thing we are going out there. You understand? I think Shane Dog was killed in Pleasant Hill while J.C. Bryan was killed in Pleasant Heights. See, not pleasant about them place they want to look like. You understand? Probably did pleasant one night time in I passed there and you know pleasant no more. You understand what I say? Just start to the people, you know. See, say, if you like a stream, right now, I say 53 people I watch a stream. And 33 people like a stream, 34. What do that something there? What like, we not hear well. But on Sunday, something like broken on the ears. I don't know. Take it out and like a stream then and put it back if I saw a thing. Watch me now. I just calm and reach him. He never should have returned. Probably him think say man them forgot. You understand me? I say, I just say thing go. And him feel like say thing run off and the thing cool out and all still. But we not say because him does him announce why them kill him, because we don't know. We can only speculate. But if you draw a thing and do the thing, you understand? Jabba, the first time I see the name in the family, for the first time, welcome. And for all the new people that were in the place, manners and respect, J. Chris, what you deal with. You understand? I know some people watch the stream and not at all. For them people there, big up on yourself, said we. You understand what I say? Yeah, man. Cops would have seized an high power weapon. Well, I'm rich, I say it. Yeah, because I be a thing I'm going to send me in the peeps. See, West Jamaican people never forget. True that. John Gotti, that him the body, the big up teach. Just finding where you are more strength. Blessings in the family, you know, so we have to keep the thing moving because we can't stream over teach them for a little while. So we still have to try keep the thing going. You understand what I say? So cops seize high-powered weapon and ammunition in St. Mary. So a 12-gauge shotgun and 18 assorted rounds of ammunition and a ballistic vest was seized on Friday. 2 persons were arrested. Zane reports are that about 5 a.m. the police would have conducted an operation in Gibraltar district. Like, I know Gibraltar like in my yard, in my room. You understand? Gibraltar a place where you used to go look guinea. You understand? And go look grape and mango, any fruit tree you can talk about. They up there, so we normally go up there. So, Lily, you are going? Florida go on over there. What you say, Jay? Rain a fall there. Just be careful. Like chat about how I go on family. I'm glad for no seeing at the building and peeps. Like they are doing, you know, we have to give him strength. You understand what I say? Because we know say he has been healing for a while, but he is recovering and recovery are go on a level, on a pace. So we appreciate and we're grateful for. So just make like know say you don't know God. DJ World Boss, or go on family, manners and respect every time, you know. Zane, we appreciate the support like that in real life. So like chat about, big up yourself, brother. Let's go and hold it. You understand? You soon can do road. What my father said, do road. You understand? Yeah, man, we don't want a boy get that show about, see, but we want to do road. You understand? You know what thing go. So peeps. So let me go back to them things here. As me I said, Gibraltar a place where make bombard, the computer screen start, the glass them start drop out, you know. I'm telling you, say, my computer was inadvertently knocked off my desk at work by one of my colleagues, and the screen kind of crack up in a multiple pieces. You understand? It's a good thing. I did have a screen protector thing, but it kind of hold it together and thing. All right, and now splinter them just start drop out, yo. See me, but when you can't see me, so we still give thanks, because it could have broke up when you couldn't see me. You understand what I say? So we still give thanks to small mercies, don't see, but we still correct them errors, then over your head. You have to be careful, because and a glass thing, you know. Watch me, you know. So it has the police, them, you know. Zane, cool. I am like 2 hours behind in Seattle. Yes, big up all of the people who watch from Seattle, all of the people who watch across North America, Canada, England, all of Europe, that's Australia, all of the people in the Antarctica, roast to breadfruit pan the snow. They big up on the damn self said way. Danny, greetings, brother. I say a word. Manners and respect said way. Watch me now. I don't know if he heal up Joker from him circle. Joker, we are dealt with big brother. Everything good, sir. Watch you now. So the police then went on an operation about 5 a.m. up at Gibraltar there. You understand? And they found a 12-gauge shotty, 18 assorted rounds of ammunition, a ballistic vest for the people who are familiar with that is a bulletproof vest. They also would have seized a ski mask and a flare gun with some more ammunition, I get if you understand. So not just the 18, I suppose that the 18 12-gauge rounds, but they also seized another set of ammunition. You understand? So good work again by the police. 2 men were arrested. See, so I mean, I progress that. You understand what I say? Watch this now, peeps. This is a story that will take me a little while, you know. We're good friend from back when there. Attorney at law, Jennifer Messado. 67-year-old Jennifer Messado, you know, piece. And I like a 37 or 27-year-old, you know, 67-year-old. You understand what I say? A prominent attorney at that. Big name in the country. Zane, guard Cranston, teach them. You met the message I reached there. Big up your brother. Let's say a word family, you know we try, you know we try. How you did that do? Make the woman kick off your laptop. You know what I say? I kind of they put you up in a little precarious position and if you move it, and it was on some books on my desk and I did for move and like she come in and you know she have on her handbag and she me did sing in her seat actually and she had go around me. See, if you put on her bag and her bag like half a thing still. But you don't know anything go still. See, no mug, no broke, no coffee, no that show. We still give thanks. Guy, all I could then just mash up one time. You see me? What that go on all out till you replace it still. Keep telling that story, TD. I don't know what you did. Did I do at the next laugh out? Like, go on with things. Empress, me even look at you. Because right I don't look like you want me to tell lie by myself, you know. You understand? I me even tell lie on people much as you can't tell lie by myself, you know. I knew from the videos I have seen of that attorney that she was a suspect. See? So what you know? You put it up, okay. So watch me now. Cookie mama, nobody make Empress dry out to the foolishness now, you know. And behave for yourself in a class, man. Sure. What this is joke as I look what. When you get the mark, you have to be more careful. Me leave a care go up, brother. You understand what I say? See? Say a word. You can just send on one of them one day, make we use it as it's treat one. You know what thing go? That's what I go on. See? Yo, me even go look for Cookie Mama Empress Love again for your side stream. And that me I tell you no to. Watch you now. You're giving Lisa bun. Jabba, so me I give Lisa bun. And you know, we could have never do that, man. You understand what I say? Could have never do that. Zane, a street love for sister Lisa. You see me? She can't swim running her late still, but we soon go dry her out, man. Make she dry off and thing. You see me? Watch me now. Jennifer Messado, you know. Good attorney, you know, peeps. Respected woman, you know. Zane, prominent, establish her name and thing. You understand? And in a Jennifer all age, you know, Jennifer has been forging her way to prison. Pun intended. You understand? Because right and Jennifer rap sheet can wrap up the whole of Jennifer family. You understand what I say? Because and let me put this out there. I will go on a limb and say that Jennifer Messado will be charged again for some more things because I know them still an investigator. You understand what I say? You see greed. You see that little word there? Greed family. Boy, I tell you. Zane, watch her now. So you know that Jennifer would have been arrested a couple of weeks back and she was charged with a portion of charge. Let me say I can't remember that. Forgery, uttering forged documents, fraud, money laundering, attempting to obtain money by uttering forged documents, and a portion of other thing. About it 6 charges they charge her for. She was granted bail in the sum of 800,000 Jamaican dollars. Her travel documents were seized because investigators told the judge at the bail application hearing that they have information that suggests that she's a flight risk and that she's making plans to leave the island. So her travel documents were seized. She's also expected to report to, I think, the Constant Spring police station, must say daily, if memory serves me correctly. She's not supposed to be out of her house between 6 p.m. and 6 a.m. So she have a portion of condition on her bail. One of the requests that the prosecution had made when her first bail application was made was that she should not have been granted bail because CTAC was still investigating her. So said, so done. Friday again, she was brought to court, Zane, for another set of charges. She was granted bail in the sum of $100,000 for, and she gets some money for charge. You know? Yeah, she did get that, man. She can't leave her house from 6 p.m. to 6 a.m. Zane? She sound like she had a long time Jordan because the lady get, she like, you know, the more you do something, the more compatible you get. She get complacent in the thing till she brave enough for y'all go bank with forged documents. I said people said how they come to business. So let me tell you the story, you know, for that one. Zane? And she very prime to, you know, because everybody would have seen by now the video that she was at the house where she had tried to sell the people them house. Zane, some church involved in it. One sort of thing. This one is not easy. But you are going. Them say you're innocent until proven guilty still. So we are treated as such. You understand? Because a human being said we. Watch her now. Attorney Jennifer Messado was slapped with another set of fraud charges. We say she a 67-year-old. She live in a Kingston 8 address. She live at a Kingston 8 address. I don't know exactly where she live there. You understand what I say? On Friday, she was brought in front of the courts again for breaches of the Forgery Act. Her latest charges are in addition to the case here, because you know she under a portion of the charge from a long time. Zane, on Friday, she was charged for forgery. I would have uploaded the video where she a general, criminal. Yeah, that's what I'm saying? Jamaicans love and even liars. Zane? Love order. Okay. Watch her now. That's not just greed. She's beyond greedy and bread. Look how hard for your quiet too. All criminal that. What happened to the real estate cases that she was the lead attorney in? I guess they are investigating a lot of those cases. Cookie. You understand what I say? So we could see how it go. So watch her now. Yes, she will get off. Tamira, I promise you that she won't get off. She won't. She can't get off. She probably get off of one or a few kids, but the amount of case where she got, she can't go get to it. Look on what them do to Harold Brady. Harold Brady a big old labor right. Harold Brady was the man who made contact with Manat Phelps and Phillips in relation to the Dodos extradition order. So Harold Brady was not small fries. He managed kingfish. You understand? And say them this bar him and him lose all in house and bailiff comfy man. Sort of sitting. You understand? So I could be a little bit more optimistic as it relates to the justice system now. You know all that bad. It have its weaknesses, but you know all that bad. And I really and truly I would be amazed if Miss Messado is not disbarred and does not serve time in prison. She sound very guilty to me just by the video. Watch me now. So I would have done the video on this situation earlier and thing. And if you don't watch it today, you can go watch it. But I could finish that about her. Because I fear her rap sheet long, but you know. So she was charged for forgery, uttering forged documents, attempting to obtain money by means of forged documents. And she would have done that on March the 26th, 2018. Recently, that just like yesterday, you know. You understand what I mean? And that after the video had come out with her and the other woman at the house, so she did at the gate and them try to evict the lady. You understand? So it come like a post that it say, this whole boss of the People's National Party not changing no course. We will see how it unfolds. Yes, Tamir, I'm going to have a little faith in the justice system, and I would have seen the justice system at work many times. I would have seen it fall up and mess up many times, but I'd have also seen where justice would have been served on many, many different occasions in this country. So I cannot just say she will get off like that. I have a little faith in the justice system. Yes, it needs a lot of work, and a lot of things are left to be desired. I say that right, hopefully. So may I see how it go. You understand? Hopefully, they not prove me wrong still. You understand? Enough people cover up. Well, I could see you're going to cookie. As me I say, I would caution a little bit of optimism and a little bit of faith in what is good about the justice system in the country. Many things are bad, but it is not as bad as we see. Else, how come so much man they are prison? Me no know. You understand? I say doctor got prison, I say lawyer got prison. I want the people in Jamaica really got prison and a politician. We need to fix that. So, as I say, I would have seen enough of the justice system at work to say that I don't know that she will get away scot-free. You understand? So it would be remiss of me if me paint the thing in such a bad light when the truth of the matter is not. We have thousands of people in the penal system. They would have gone through the court system. So if the court system was so flawed and inadequate and inefficient, then how come so many persons are in prison? You understand? There are many more persons who are out free that should be in prison, but make we see it go. You understand what I say? Yeah. So it is alleged that on March the 26th, 2000, yes, she got Cuba. On March 26, 2018, should have visited a prominent financial institution in the corporate area. Research stated that it could be the Jamaica Mortgage Bank. She had a letter in her possession and she would have tendered said letter to the manager at the institution. The letter would have had the signature of two persons and it would have contained instructions that purportedly stated that they would have given Miss Messado the authority to conduct business on their behalf. The bank would have reached out to the named persons and they would have denied granting any such authority to Miss Messado. CTAC was called, investigation was conducted, and Miss Messado was arrested. CTAC not play with people, so I can't tell you that for a fact. Fitzbailey, he's Assistant Commissioner of Police. Fitzbailey no really, based on what means so far, and some of the things that when we say Fitzbailey, we say the audio kind of crack up again. Let me hear it for myself and see what I'm going on. So. So far, and some of the things that when we say Fitzbailey, they say the audio kind of crack up. Empress love, my voice sound sexy to me still, you know. So I don't really know how I hear still. You understand? My voice kind of depends on the sexier side of life right now on the Empress love. So right now you probably need to restart all your device. People, let me hear if you not hear. Let me know if you not hear me clearly, you know. Because Empress, probably I can give yourself so much trouble more time, you know. You understand what I say? Watch you know. Say, so should have tendered the letter. The bank would have, me I say Fitzbailey, you know. Fitzbailey no play with people. Me I tell you the truth. I want the police, I mean, I know if Fitzbailey behind the scene is a different man from how he appearing in the public, but he seems to be all about justice and all about getting justice for persons who would have been wronged. And no matter what, I will say, them man, they make elephant man, I think them time them did responsible for tax administration in Jamaica. Seeing if memory serve me correctly. Seeing Empress, you get yourself too much trouble, man, and that's why it's a not now crack up. You understand? Empress, you need a phone. You understand? I come something. Zane, watch me now. Fitzbailey don't really play people peeps. And see that no ramp around. You understand? When the man they play rough. So make we see the police would have been doing their side of the deal. Make we see what the justice system and the judiciary now have to offer. You understand? She ball bad. Zane. So watch out now, peeps. The woman, forge the letter, with the people, them signature, Care got the bank, go tell the bank. So then two people, I say, me for come do some business for them, see that them sign off on it. But the bank manager probably hear about Jennifer before it one thing, and I say, hey, you can't treat me and you think I get people money. So they would have reached out to the two persons whose name would have been affixed to said letter, and when they were questioned as to whether or not they would have given Miss Messado the permission to conduct business on their behalf, they would have said, hell no. CTAC was called, the investigation was carried out, and she was arrested again. She was brought to court. She get $100,000 bail. So right now she out at $900,000 bail in all. You understand what I say? And she and one lady named Barakat did on the first charges them. But I know one of them on that one. You understand? See, me I tell about the lawyer, them, they're not easy, And peace, I should have spoken about. Yeah, look at the bank manager here about them for choose super save. You understand what I say? Watch me now. Sean Paul, father, would have been healing for some time, would have been in the 22th wing of the University Hospital of the West Indies in intensive care. I should have spoken about this on Friday night, but for some strange reason, I miss it. His father would have lost his battle with sickness. I don't know exactly what was his condition, but Sean Paul a couple of weeks ago, about a month or two, hey, watch it teach. Cindy, where you talk about Empress? Watch it lie. Oh, Cindy a liar. But I true Cindy, I true me not telling a lie. Me not say all liars are like that. You have some very professional liar, but then you have some liar. You understand what I say? So my apologies, Empress. But just like how you have some teacher when in a classroom too. I just saw a thing go. You understand? Watch me now. So Sean Paul father would have lost his battle with illness. He would have died on the 24th of May. Sean Paul would have taken to social media to thank those persons who would have given blood and all the medical staff at the hospital who would have treated his father and stuff. You understand? So condolences to the Dirty Rat DJ and the family. You understand? His father's name is Garth Enriquez, and may his soul rest in peace, innit? Zane? I should have $5 million bail. But so the bail kind of the cheap for true still in Empress, especially the first time. In 800,000. You understand? But I suppose it is what it is. Next thing you know, peeps. Nico Chromatic. I almost sure it's a Nico Chromatic funeral was sometime this weekend. But if you talk about the Friday night, but I don't even remember when we do right down. You understand? If the funeral gone already, I don't know. If you're not gone it, me talk about it one next time. You know, me did talk about Nico Chromatic one Friday night and cuss some people and this it. You understand what I say? Zane, one of the next good soldier drop out, I think, and the man never did that for drop out, but I just saw a thing go. When I hear time, I just hear time still. Zane, I suppose I left people to them conscience. Motorcyclists, the man them are worse than the taxi driver them on the road. People don't know Jamaican taxi drivers operate, and if you have people worse than them, which is a bike man, you understand, on the road, they're not normal. Enough time at them kill themselves. I don't know that this man would have done that, but we're seeing a situation where a motorcyclist was killed on Washington Boulevard today. May soon tell about the story. But them biker, most of them not ride without no helmet neither. And better, if you ride your bike and carry the car before you run up in a car, and you jump off of that bike, the chances are you're going to lick your head. You understand? But you can't like someone to lick on the head from on left on the yard. Because the moment you ride a bike, family, you need to adorn an helmet, family. You understand what I say? So at the end of the day, it's just like one of my soldiers come link me earlier. See, because them did have my car and thing, and him drop off the car, so I have to drop him back home and thing. And I put on my seatbelt. From here to where me there, I go about 4 minutes drive. Then, the man say, but teacher, could have put on, man? I say, man, come out of my car to you, man, but you know easy. See, me saying so much people are fly through windscreen. You understand? Me not do it. You understand? So I put on a seatbelt and I say, if you are going to stay in an eye car too, you have to go put on your seatbelt. I say, you have to go walk home. You understand? So you know, put on your seatbelt because you know, you really want to walk. You understand? So please, me I say, you have to try to protect your life. See, it's a habit that I'm trying to get myself into. I don't always wear my seatbelt. It's a bad habit, and it's something that I am working on. You know, bad habits hard to break out. You understand? It's easier to break out for one good habit than to break out one bad habit. Remember that. You have a good habit and one little thing and you broke out it. While you have a bad habit and you try to break out it for years. See? So, right now, Mr. Brother, is either you put on your seatbelt or you walk here, sir. So, and choose the right option. You understand? I'm a general still. I look with brother. You see me I say? But you have to understand, so when you can encourage people to do the right thing, you do it. Back to the bike, brother, them, you know. The man, they now wearing a helmet. And I regularly hear police come on TV and Minister of Transport, so they will start charge bike man for no wearing no helmet. And every time they say so, less bike man start wearing helmet. So I don't know what them up to with that. You understand? 9 out of 10 times when they hear say there's a bike accident, the people them on the bike dead. Because chances are they're going to lick them head. And the speed of the man them a ride and the momentum at which them are colliding and other things and all, then chances are them just going to jump out. See? Big up the Royal General, brother. Manners and respect. I whole heap of people have seatbelts here, brother. You understand? As me I say, it's a bad habit of me I try to break out and think me I work on it. Me I work on it still. You understand? Watch out now. A motorcyclist died after being run over on Washington Boulevard. But let me show you how film story bad now. About he's unidentified at this point in time. About 10:30 a.m. Sunday, this morning, he was hit from his bike by a car, a white Toyota Probox near here, and both of them were traveling in the same direction. Seeing? Good. TD, keep it clean. Our Empress over table. I want to say we're Empress over, so if you keep it clean, you know. I don't understand. See? Yeah, so both the bike and the car was traveling in the same direction. So I don't understand what really going on. See, reports are that he was hit by the car or him lick up in the car. I don't know what going on, but some collision going on. Seatbelt kills. What you mean seatbelt kills NJA? Because if you would tell me say man I'll run over in a river and them have on a seatbelt and thing, see? I think seatbelt save far more lives than it might have contributed to death. So explain that to me now, brother. See? Because no simple thing. I want to hear what you say about it, man. That's how we deal with the thing, you know. You understand what I say? I'm tired of talking about Sizzler, but Sizzler now listen. You understand? See? We need for Asher because sometimes you have to hear what the people them are saying Cindy and understand. Him say seatbelt kills. I want him explain that to me. See, you're not wearing a seatbelt. Well, that's up to you, so brother. But if you have kids, Zane, and if you have other family members who drive with them, I hope you encourage them for wear seatbelts. If you don't want to wear none still, that's up to you. Seatbelt can damage you still. Zane, I not say seatbelt is the holy grail of safety, you know. But I'm saying seatbelt will help to save your life more times than not in the event of an accident. Imagine you're in the front seat of your vehicle and your car hit at 80 miles per hour. You go through your windscreen 3, 4, 5 times faster than the speed of the car did go. Use your knuckle and lick by your windscreen and see how that tough. And imagine your head or your forehead and lick up in that at speeds 2 times or 3 times the speed at which you were driving. See, imagine your child in the car, no seatbelt and fly through the window in front of your face. Then what you gonna say? Oh, I wish me did I wear my seatbelt. When it pulls, your bucket damage. So brother, but hold on there. Hold on. Me get that. So it might cause some form of damage. But then say, better that than you fly through your windscreen and dead, sir. Mr. Williams, sir. My name sake. You understand what I say? But I mean, I say every man choose their own destiny. But I would advise people to buckle up and slow down. Them two things there, buckle up, follow the rules of the road, slow down, drive within the speed limit. You understand? And keep a thing going. You understand what I say? So I can't tell Anna and J.A. because Anna is a big man still, you know. But I can advise him say it's not the best chain of thought that brother Zane. And a life we are seeing, you know. Na, life sweet. That so driving burn gas. Tell your husband to go, Empress. Courtesy of teach them. You understand? If you want to cuss me take it cussing. But right now, if you go, you understand me? I say that me I tell him to. See? Yeah, brother, me get that you know, Stephen. See, but me I say, weigh the pros and the cons and see if you have more pros of to wearing a seatbelt than cons. You understand what I say? So I just decide thing go still. But for me, still personally, me I try get into the seatbelt wearing frame of mind because you can't be driving within the speed limit, you know. And you have an accident and you fly to your windscreen side way. Me not into that. When you say the woman fall up out of Mandela, what do you like? When you fall up close, fly through the windscreen because she never did wear a seatbelt. You understand me? I say I just saw a thing go. I was wearing seatbelt in my accident and my spine damage. Sorry for hear that, Stephen, but imagine if I never did wear a seatbelt, they probably wouldn't tell me say spine damage. I know, don't. Because probably you would have died. So I saw if you look on the thing. You understand me? I say. See? So I just saw a thing go, yeah, man. So peace, we are move off of that I know still. But I enjoy reviews, brother. Me advise you as a brother, Zane, for buckle up when you're on the road, bossy. Because we always tend to live a life in a regrets as human beings when one look up a stitch in time save nine, as my grandmother used to say, yes, sir. You understand? I just saw a thing go. Ready or no? And when I say the seatbelt is, as I said, the holy grail of safety devices in a vehicle. But more times than not, the seatbelt would have saved more lives than would have been lost if they never did wear a seatbelt. I just say a thing of family. You understand? So it depends on how you look and what you value. And me figure more or less say Anna and J.A. is a father and thing. And you have a youth them for live for brother. You see me I say? So I does my advice to you that still. And the rest of people them where not too mental seatbelt thing. You understand? Watch out now. So after this motorcyclist was hit from his bike, he was airborne for a period of time, you get to understand. Zane, so I don't know how fast him did a ride and how fast the carman did a drive, but after the collision occurred, he was airborne for a distance me a hear. When he finally hit the ground, he was run over by an oncoming vehicle on the opposite side of the road. You understand what I say? So the thing, you can imagine the trauma that the car run over the man. The driver must be in, you know. Imagine you go about your business and you so a man jump and by the time you press brake, you run over the man. You understand? Because you probably all of you saying, I should me run over him now in there, you know, because probably you know survive the fall, you know. But I mean, I know things that are waste still. I don't know which one of them drivers they want to be. None of them, you know. The man in the collision first, I don't want to run over him because mentally that I got affect you. I tell you. You understand what I say? I just want to encourage people them to use the road wisely, to slow down. And that'll kill you off, you know. We not slow down on the road. You understand? Water. Do the right thing now, man. You know, follow me on Instagram already, you know. Follow the thing now, man. I want to know, man. I follow them back fast, you know, peeps. As them follow me, I follow them back, you know. Think me a fool. Hey. You understand? Now I reach out to them if they don't reach out to me still, because it now for happen. Big man, if they got none. You understand? My mother want to go shopping. Something now for happen. Something now for happen. Watch you now. So condolences to the family. I've said unidentified man. I don't know his name. I don't know where he hails from. I don't know his age. Nothing. So if I get some more information, I can't use a cup cookie. I tell us, what follow me on Instagram, Empress, and I follow them back. I can't revert to cup right now. I have to suppose them circle I think, and I look if you understand, and them see them water buckle. Winnings that. Them see the cup and now them are saying, right now, I tea the brother into, he no into no water. You understand? So the bike thing I know is not my thing neither. Yeah, nobody not really ride bike slow for true Empress. From Junker go right back to RR at the lone pedal to the metal. Something like that's something there. See? I want to encourage a man them to slow down because it don't make no sense. You understand? We just give our life so for no reason. As the marker said, I love my life. You understand? The man say I love him life. May I encourage you to try that approach it. Me love my life. Yeah, right now me feel like me I get too old too fast. That me I tell you say. You understand? Make sure you get all the benefits from water. Me not tell you man. Come from west so them ride bike like a whistle. And I be a bike down a west you know, cause me say a bike taxi run off down a west. I could have hold me about me up on one bike but on taxi. Man go on here man. Right now a 4-wheel taxi they not safe and it's a bike I go safer. No sir. Me pass. You understand me I say? A bike crash never most time I want outcome. Yeah, that's what I say. Most time it's one outcome. Watch you though. So condolences to the family of the brother yeah, sir. I don't know how go on the treat them. Seeing? Speed. Seeing? Now, peeps, quick guilty verdict for St. Catherine man on quadruple murder charge. I'm asking you something. I don't know if anybody in here ever served jury duty before. Because for some strange reason, somebody that research it, I remember. And every time I hear about a jury, 7 people me hear upon it. A jury can only be made up, or a jury can only consist of 7 jurors. Is there a rule of thumb that says that a jury is only to consist of 7 jurors? I don't know. I'm going to research it. So if anybody can tell me, I'm going to research it still. You understand? But this time I go do it when I look on a story and I get caught up and I have to go up on the road and them so they call them donor mobile. Loan mobile because I now got them alone. I go 7 to 12. Okay, Marjan. I say a word. Every time I hear about jury, I hear about 7-member jury, this 7-member jury do that. Laugh all out. All of it here I go on, man. We don't really need to get into that. You understand? But right now, I tell you, I get too old too fast. Just the other day, I was a little boy. I run up and down a high kite and I make box chuck and board wheel chuck and I shoot board and then sit there. All right, I know it's stress in a life. You understand? Bills are kill you. Stand there. You see him? Oh, you do it once. And I say I heard. Oh, up to 12. You see, me learn from you, you learn from me. When they come out to Jamaica, I hear 7-member jury. 7, like only Jamaica, only 7-member can hold in a jury box. You understand? See, I who say me at 38 years old. Come here, go on with that here, man. Go hide that. Care about that. Because nobody not buy that. That not sell. Yeah, where? See him? If Tamir look at me and tell me I look 38, me I go frowns. Me I tell her, me if I'm gonna further with the class. Big man thing. Me offended. See him? And then Jerry reviewed the kind of and I look up vibes. Saying but Tamir, I don't want to Tamir. See, me if I look at Tamir, me I tell her, don't me done with her. You understand? Wash my hands like punches pilot. Yeah. So watch me now, peeps. The 7-member jury, and thanks to the people, they must have 7 to 12. Appreciate it. So I'm gonna have to go back to do the research. You guys are very, very educated and intelligent. Me don't need to tell you no here, Tamir. Me I want you to love me. As Ding Dang said, just love me. No. You understand me? I say? Yeah, man, just love me alone, sir. See? Watch me now. So the 7-member jury took only peeps. Listen, you know. About 40 minutes to return the guilty verdict, you know. 40 minutes. You understand? So here we go on now. The brother, what them find guilty, named Simon Miller. See? And he was charged and in front of the courts for a quadruple murder in the Mickleton community of Linstead on August the 20th, 2014. And he was convicted on eyewitness evidence. Yes, we're full of song, brother. We're full of song. We have a song for everything, man. You understand? Back in the days, I tell my colleagues the other day, say, you're a go on, man. Back in the days when me also, you understand, I do road and thing, and you're pursue one girl. Because, brother, back in the days, I like a challenge, you know. You understand? And thing. Me can't sing, you know. Zane. But me only want to know which song a girl they like. Me sing that. You know, me no matter what me want, so me only want to know so she hear me and sing that. So we full of tune. You understand? For a long time. I start a tune too. We say audio. Danny alone I complain about the audio. Anybody else complain about the audio? Me say me can hear myself, yeah. Oh, audio crack for you. Hold on the people. See what I go on, sir. Mind check one. Testing one. See if I hear myself and now boom so. See what I go on, sir. Mind check one. Boy, please, me don't know. From the computer, drop your audio cracky like a screen answer. So thanks. See? And I'm yet about 38. This must be father. He didn't give. From the computer, drop your audio cracky like a screen answer. Audio good again. You have to see with me, peeps. You understand? Before we there now. Yeah. So he was convicted on eyewitness evidence. So he was charged for the murder of 70-year-old Garfield Simpson. 78-year-old Garfield Simpson. See? So them really have nothing to think about. 20-year-old Shauna K. Simpson. So I don't know if Shauna K. a Garfield daughter or niece. You understand? 25-year-old Ricodell Jackson and 43-year-old Dean Pratt. So reports are that Miller and two of his cronies went to a shop in the Mickleton community and they were dressed in full military and police fatigues. Yeah? And everybody did that wear masks except Miller brother there. Watch out now. It is believed that they opened fire hitting the patrons, hitting those persons in front of other patrons here. They proceeded to rob. We say what happened to Vegas and his church friends them. But I talked about it earlier, General. See, I see a local video before me come on where him and some police and them squeeze up his neck and go touch them waist. Hold on, the audio clear up at peeps. I'm gonna check it. Go touch them waist. Yeah, man, the audio clear. I see people still the audio clear up at peeps. Okay, yeah. Yeah. Vendetta Empress. Whoosh. Wagwan Empress. Yeah, that's a rich. You understand? Well, I see it still. You get extra work and you're late. Watch out now. So, you know, after them shoot some of the people them in front of the shop, them going to the shop, you know, and proceeded to rob the patrons. Zane, watch out. Ricodell Jackson was shot when he attempted to hide his cell phone. So then kill him for his cell phone. Zane, Dean Pratt now was shot inside his car because he had drove up during the robbery. So as him drive up, then kill him. Zane, it looked like them did shoot Shauna K and Garfield Simpson outside of the shop. You understand? No, them say them identify Miller because him alone never did wear a mask. I don't know one to the other two youths and police find them or what, if they're upon child or what. So he was found guilty and the sentencing will be on July the 6th. But hear the story you know. Miller said him a 34-year-old. Him say the time when them a say him a kill people, him there home with him girlfriend and him children. Yes, that. Zane, I probably didn't hear no more mass Empress. And some man feel like big bad and brave, boy. Do what you want to do. You understand what I say? So some man really do business. You understand? People do some weird things in their life in the Empress. You understand? You wonder some man do some things, I wonder when they think about when him do it. But them do it. You understand? So, him man saying did the one with him girlfriend and him children them. And I am almost sure that him girlfriend would then say him did the one too. You understand what I say? Because I tell you already, you know. I don't tell you already. Be straight, them. But forget about that tune there. I don't tell you say a lot of the crimes in this country, women are party to. Some of them are behind those crimes, and some of them are responsible for those crimes. As a matter of fact, me soon reach a story where I go start scratching the head. I don't do the video yet, you know. I'm gonna wait until because I don't know the pronunciation of the girl name. I don't want to call her name wrong there. That's so serious. Me take that story there. Watch her now. You see, woman them, I love them, you know. I tell them say I got greatest gift to mankind. But me don't trust people. Me say you can't trust people. Me buy my car cash. Cause me not even not just vehicle. Yeah, me no youth. You understand what I say? Yeah, man. Me no shopkeeper. So me not trust man. Can't chop up people, so something must wrong. And me alone pan, I never plus one. So no girl can trick me fi kill me. This are the blasted tune like a religious song. You see that wife they a touch pan her husband. Wickedest thing and me, she asleep with. Not me still. But him serious, she a grassroots when I just son. Me don't trust people. Me can't trust people. Me buy my car cash. Cause me not even not just vehicle. Hear me no star. Remember me tell you that. Yeah, man say. A man think she a grassroots when I just son. Real boss, man. Me say you save that youth that they just, boy, me I tell you. Boy, me, if teacher they just stick to the music, big man way, then couldn't hold him, man. You understand what I say? Then couldn't hold him. A man done telling the man, me the Jordan, the tall one, the last one. You understand? Dancehall Pele the Jordan. Not true. But your lifestyle and your lifestyle choices, your big brother. So you think about the greatest. Simple. You understand? Teach me and give you a singing contract. You're going to lose your money. Cookie, you're going to lose your money. Keep it. You lose it. You understand? Because I say, the singing thing and my thing, me I tell a friend now, and you're my friend, me don't want you to lose your money. Me I tell her, keep it. Cake Soap Jackson. I say I go still. So I go. You understand? The man find a way if he keep himself relevant to the Tamir and him do it in a right. You understand? Because when you go encourage bleaching and the change of your skin, you not support them things. You understand? I tell you already, you know. I don't tell you already. Then say, as a musician, because I tell you the man, but as a person, I don't support the life choices, them and the lifestyle choices, them and the artists, but I feel business that. You understand? Zane, we not live the artist them lifestyle. We appreciate the work and I eat that, but some people get too caught up in the thing. You understand? Cookie, keep your money still. Me I tell you, you'll lose it. Zane, you're gonna lose it. So, Adija, Vibes Cartel, Palmer, big up yourself, family. The greatest, as simple as that. Ready and now, peeps. I digress, but you don't know, so we have to yell up a teacher, you know, because I just saw a thing go. You understand? Teacher just make some wrong choices in their life, yeah, sir. And them command him. I just saw a thing go. You see me? And some man now use that as a lesson. Some man still make the same wrong choices and I get caught up in the hype. You understand? And I lose them way said we when them say prime example, Cartel, Ninja Man, Buju Banton, and some man still in the crap. You understand? So Tommy Leader, them are aim out for dry, whether him guilty or not. You understand? Because when I learn our lessons, family. See, in alkaline, make them walk up and down and jape him up in them yes, what they said thing. Boy, I don't know, yeah, man. I don't know. Moving on and our peeps. Fear grips Annotto Bay following 2 killings within 24 hours. Zane? And no, we're not off topic, you know. All of them things are part of the class more. You understand? More time you teach and some questions come up and you have to deal with them. I just saw a classroom setting. So you see me I say? That's how the thing set up. So fear grips Annotto Bay following 2 killings within 24 hours. A brazen daylight gun attack, which left 2 men dead. The deceased are 22-year-old O'Keefe Wilson. OC Hogman. HOG man. Hogman. I don't know what him answer to the name because you can't call me some answer that. You understand what I say? Zane. But in name O'Keefe Wilson, 22-year-old Hogman, he was shot and killed at 3 p.m. approximately inside the town of Annotto Bay. The man there, power treat in Annotto Bay, and one man just walk up to him, shoot him, and run. Dead. The next brother, you know, Chavez Ellis, he was killed Saturday, 12:37 p.m. He was at his family house when men would have went to the premises, opened fire, and they would have killed him. So them kill Hogman and them kill Ellis. See? I don't know Hogman though. I don't know Ellis about them killing. That sound personal. That sound like I just a part of the thing where I grip Annotto Bay in recent times. I want to share a little thing with you know. I say I can find it and share it. You understand? And let me say I find it first before I don't want to mash up the stream, you know. All right, I'm fine. I say I can share without mashing up that thing. Yeah. We don't tell you no already. Here be straight them off. Here be straight them off. Do what you do now. All right, peeps. I don't know if I can read it still because right now my screen just a jiggle like a what Mr. Sitting there say? I acting jiggle up here. No, Beanie Man say that. Jiggle up here and shake up here. Right now I can't even scroll this. I don't know what go on here. So you understand. Peeps, I don't know if you know see this. It says fear grips Annotto Bay following 2 killings. Another one, them want to find idea, you know. I mess this up here. So, boom, so. Boom, so. Boom back over here, so. Another story them I want the next one. Hold on the peeps. Hold up. Zane, so basically it said the police say the people them Annotto Bay, you know, what kill them is that them not talk to the police. You understand? But we're going to share the article here because I feel like the article I can share. TD, it look like a stream. Slow. Delay. Yeah, so I think set more time, brother. Then, yeah, I'm going to say I can jump this now. Girl fear and jiggle and... You understand? All right, watch me now, peeps. It says, code of silence amid murder after... Code of silence amid murder after murder in Annotto Bay, St. Mary. Yeah? All right, so watch now. As I say my screen, I give me a problem, peeps. So if I miss up, I don't know where I go on. I can't read. You understand? Even though some people tell me that on the channel. Oh boy, I can't read. I know I'm going to try though. The town of Annotto Bay in the northeastern parish of St. Mary continues to bleed from a long series of murders and shootings over the past 5 years. Yeah, a long time it ago on the peeps. Despite the intervention of the police to quell the apparent thirst of blood among criminals there. With raw sewage, I like how them coin this, with raw sewage running along a number of the roadways in the town, which is marked by some eerie lanes, and dilapidated buildings. Annotto Bay has seemingly become a ready breeding ground for hoodlums who continue to foster a notorious culture of violence and bloodshed. However, despite residents living in constant fear, and only quietly expressing their desire to have the authorities do more to apprehend the crime producers, there remains a resistance among them, the residents, to provide the police with critical information to bring stability to the town. Since the start of this year, Approximately 7 persons have been murdered in the town. And we're not talking about the whole of St. Mary in a piece. We're talking about Annotto alone, you know, since January 2018. You know, 7 persons have been killed, you know, including 3-year-old Kellysia Matthews of Canaan Lane. I will soon come back to Kellicia's situation again. Can we talk about that again? The latest killings were those of 22-year-old O'Keefe Wilson, same man with them called Lagman, and Chavez Ellis, which occurred between Friday afternoon and Saturday. Notably, the bloodletting in the town has been characterized over the past 5 years by several incidents of multiple killings, which have left residents of the area in deep fear. Last year, there were 3 shooting incidents that resulted in multiple fatalities in the Fort George and Long Road areas of Annotto. In February of that year, which is 2017, there was a double murder, which was followed by a triple murder in August. So when the man them kill people at Annotto, you know, peeps, we St. Mary close to us. When the man them kill people at Annotto at 2 and 3, you know, what you know? The year ended with 2 security guards being gunned down while on duty. Of the 21 murders that occurred in St. Mary last year, remember, in a peeps, 21 people them killed in St. Mary last year, in parish from born in, you know. Annotto was an extremely significant contributor to that figure. The bloodbath in Annotto in 2017 began on Saturday, February the 25th, when 38-year-old cashier Dana Booth and 47-year-old Robert Brown were shot and killed by unknown assailants. The killer was believed to have been a passenger in Brown's taxi, which was operated on the Fort George to Annotto route. So the taxi driver them killed plus one woman at the taxi. 6 months later, the town again made headlines when 33-year-old Lincoln Crossdale, otherwise called Blacks, Ricardo Griffiths, 25, alias Ricky, and 24-year-old Sherwin Campbell were ambushed at about 9:30 a.m. middle day that by about 7 masked gunmen as they arrived on a farm in an area known as Long Road on Monday, August the 28th. I remember that story. I think they said that the men would have gone there to catch water. Zin, watch this now. There was more mayhem as on December the 8th that year, gunmen claimed the lives of 52-year-old Vincent Walsh of Crooked River in Annotto and 40-year-old Cleve Grant of Buff Bay, Portland, who were guards at the Denny and Geddes site along Fort George Road. Walsh and Grant and a third security guard, who all were attached to the Marksman Security Company, were pounced upon by gunmen. All 3 men were shot, with only 1 surviving. Watch this now, please. Police investigators, me tell them my screen and give me a fight. Police investigators have explained on several occasions that the silence among persons living in the area has been a major deterrent to solving several major crimes in the town. Nobody not talk. Annotto police, Annotto people don't talk. Oftentimes, we need the intelligence to solve our cases, and we can't get it from them. It is just the culture, it seems. And it is so sad, because if the residents don't tell the police what they know, then how can we prevent the reoccurrence of these heinous crimes? Lamented a police source. See? The officer also said the residents should seek to develop trust among the law enforcers in order to achieve peace in the area. The article long enough, peeps, done it, Tell what you know. Call Crime Stop. It is very easy to do. We continue to carry our operations, and the information would go a far way in helping us, the lawman indicated. Meanwhile, there continues to be a viewpoint that some criminals from other sections of the island, including the corporate area, have taken refuge in sections of Annotto where narrow lanes and zinc fences are common. Peeps, any community where you see full of zinc fence, never good. May I tell you that the zinc fence culture is a haven for crimes and criminals. The deafening silence among the residents is, in general, has reportedly left the criminals well hidden while they plan violent gun attacks. So nobody not attack, and the environment is conducive to them hiding. The well-executed criminal plans have resulted in deep despair among a number of families which have been torn apart over the years. In 2016, for example, residents were left stunned by a violent murder that claimed the lives of a man, his girlfriend, and an 8-month-old baby. The incident occurred on September 8 in Fort George. At the same brother where them find a come from the Go-Go Club where the police catch a come from Go-Go Club. Him them said it killed them 3 people here. Those killed were 62-year-old laborer. I may move too fast. Yeah, okay. Those killed were 62-year-old laborer Albert Price, otherwise called Ali, of Annotto, 25-year-old Rochelle Williams, a bartender, and her daughter, 8-month-old Alaire Sewell of Swift River, Portland. They were shot dead as they slept in their house. It was a similar act 3 years ago prior to David McIntosh, 41 years prior, when David McIntosh, 41-year-old, his spouse, Maureen Pinnock, 44, and 27-year-old Dwayne Harris were all sprayed with bullets by a gunman who kicked open their door to their humble dwelling on Fort George Road the morning of July the 8th, 2013. While some of the killings plaguing the town over the years have been linked to domestic disputes and feuds among family members, gunmen continue to bring the town to its knees, with the police trying desperately to quash the various tactics being employed by the hoodlums. Whoa, me eye them a hat me. Say me can stop share this here now. Boom so. Say me can appear back on the stream now. Boom so. Yes, all well's attention. Yeah, peeps, so watch you know. Yeah. Right now, I'm not saying nothing. I be a foolishness that going on. I'm going to talk about Kellysia Williams again. When Kellysia was killed, that is the 3-year-old girl. Zane, residents in the police would have arrested 2 men, and residents protested about 3 times, even lit down police with stone and mash up car, say are the wrong man them have. Zane, so watch you know, that G, what go on, brother? Welcome. So the people them prefer for demonstrate, forget man out of prison, than for demonstrate, forget the man them for stop kill people. I'm going to repeat that. I'm going to drink some water first. Short joy. Kirk, what go on, youth? All right. Peeps. After the little girl was killed on Valentine's Day, the police, through their investigations, would have apprehended, detained, and charged 2 persons. The residents of Annotto Bay blocked the roads repeatedly, lit down police with stone, police foot and mash up. I forgot hospital and get leave from work and sitting. Because them say police have the wrong man there. And them now tell the police who the right man them being. And me I say the people in Annotto Bay are more willing to protest to get man out of prison than to protest against the man that we have killed the woman and children them in Annotto Bay. Then you see why the problem in Annotto Bay has persisted for 5 years and counting. Because our priorities in, I mean, I say if the youth them in a prison innocent, then they nothing did it, you know. But me I say, if you don't know who killed the little girl, then tell the police who killed the little girl then. So the wrong man them not get locked up. But the police them try to do a thing and mash up police vehicle, lit down police with stone, and the police it shoot someone that to them be a next different story. I want to not follow me and say no peeps. Because I'm telling you this repeatedly, you know, the biggest problem what Jamaican people face is Jamaican people. Our biggest problem. So if we're not willing to know, if lit down police and mash up police vehicle because them lock up 2 men where them say kill a little girl, uno say none of them man there, and uno not tell the police them who kill a little girl, uno not tell the police them nothing, but that still uno ball say the police them I do them work. Me not understand that. So the truth of the matter in peace, you know what me want to say right so now, it's good for some of them are not to be. It's on a way, but I true me attack. Because they are the one who sat down and nurtured these men. Zane and man come from all about over the place, come on Annotto Bay, and them see them, Zane, and them not tell nobody nothing, them not do nothing. Everybody comfortably in a John shop. Zane, and right now, John shop lock, and them out the door. Cause nobody not talk. And then one want the police them do. Work miracle. In a no country in the world, police operate without intelligence. And a lot of the intelligence come from regular people. But in a Jamaica, Zane, we have this informer for dead culture and this thing and thing. Zane, But a una talk a dead. Because we sit down and we're comfortable. Oh, because it now happened to me and my family safe until this man in a family dead. Then we start ready for talk. Why were we not talking when anything start? Why we allow them youth, them local youth, where we see a broke one. And I said, nah, man, broke a one man shot, man. All of we are thief, man. I've heard Jamaicans say that. Well, we are beat up the youth for them shoot the youth for car the whole of we are thief. Me and not thief family. Because if me this and you tell me that, then me and you have to go have words because me not accept that. What you mean say, well, we are thief? Yeah? So what if when them the brother they are thief now, him feel like him life at danger and him kill a one man. The same thing they ever say, oh, I don't know if him kill one man because the whole we are thief. I don't mean I understand with Jamaicans. So some of the time I say something, I'm just want to box someone. Yeah, me I say, man. So right now, Mark goes out to the innocent children who are being murdered in Annotto Bay. And some of the people that were innocent, but you see the one them were involved, because some of them are gang thing and them are kill them one. I mean, not feel no way about that. But when innocent people get involved in the thing, then you understand me I say, and for the people that were sitting out there, see now when the police them do them job, them a black road and a mash up government vehicle where me help buy, you know. My money help buy, you know. Yeah? And some of them not paying no tax at all in this country, you know. Because some of them not paying a light bill and not paying a water. You understand? The most of them pay a local GCT when them go shop. Supermarket there. See? And they don't know much of vehicle in the country me I buy because on a criminal friend them and they don't know come ball and someone kill you. Man, if you kill someone, man. That for him to someone for we learn. What are we doing for fix the situation? Then we go ball. And we now start ball till it happen to you know, because it happened to our next door neighbor. Oh, and because I know me happen to everything good. And we sit down and wait for it happen to we. And that's a kill in a country family. You understand me I say? So, who the must know now daughter not to be there and things. So, when you sit down, when you talk to the police, when you not tell them nothing. May God go with you know. Because I want to create this for yourself too. See? And in any good fight, you have to have sacrifice. I saw a thing go here, sir. My belief that. You understand? To achieve anything in this world, some sacrifice have to make. So we have to make up your mind to make some sacrifices. I just the say go. But for the greater good, sacrifice we have to make. What we have to continue with this rest of our life. The woman them we wash the blood out of the clothes them. The woman them we hide the gun them. The woman them when wants them man are killing Arab people. The mother them when wants them son are killing Arab people. And then when someone's son get rub out and dash way, when you come ball, boss say them innocent. I'll not forget dash way too. Because now waste of space in our country. That me I tell you too. It's a stinger. What go on, brother? I say a word, family. You understand? Someone of me soon help on my TV, me just turn off that, you know. Because I sit you, you know. You see me I say? When you know the pit them a criminal man, or the man them a criminal man, and come on TV, come chat crap. How a good youth and him innocent. And him go to church every Sunday. And I'm collect offering. The pastor them a criminal too, so why if him go to church every Sunday? Him they run him friend them. Alright, peeps. I'm done with the rant there. Me I want them stop killing little pitney them out of Annotto Bay. If you know some man or some things, you know killing one another man, you stop hurt the little youth them now, brother. What the youth them couldn't do no? 8-month old, 3-year-old. I could have what the youth them do no? Eh? What the youth them do no? Peeps. I would have done a video a couple of days ago where I said that 3 of Dudas family members would have been wanted by the police. Liberty, Titiman, and Bamati. So you know, Liberty right name, Leighton Cook. Titiman right name, Christopher Cook, or Michael Cook. Michael Cook, I think. Saying, and Bama T, right, name a Lanchester Coke. Them there also want a brother named David Biggs, him hail as an alien, and one brother named Ratty. Liberty and Titiman would have turned themselves over to the police the following day, I think. Saying, Bama T, my understanding is that he would have fled the island and efforts are being made to have him deported back to Jamaica from the United States. I cannot confirm that. Next thing I know, them not find alien and Ratty yet. Telling about him and no name Ratty. And I don't want no friend named Ratty. If you name Ratty, you can't be my friend. I tell you that from now. You could even be a pastor. You understand? If you call a Ratty and answer, you're not my friend. Watch me now. They were wanted in relation to the murder of one Patrick Davis, OC, P-Boy. Allegations are that P-Boy is one of the strong men in Denham Town and that he would have been responsible for a lot of the trigger pulling in Denham Town. I cannot confirm that. It is alleged. All right. So he would have been killed in March and this body is believed to have been dumped in Eastern Kingston. Now, I'm telling about women, and listen to this now. A female young girl, I don't know her age as yet. I don't know if it is Aisha or Leisha, her name is. So that's why I'm even do the story. Come on and get her name right. It is believed, it is alleged. There are statements in the possession of the police that says that same girl, her surname is Jones, so I could call her Miss Jones, was in a relationship with not only P-Boy, who was one of the strong men in Denham Town, but also the son of Christopher Dodos Cook, Titty Man. I repeat that, I want to follow me, I say closely. Peeps, I would have gotten said information on Nationwide News FM. The story was, the updates were made by the lead news personnel for them. Well, I guess when I was say Cliff Hughes are the lead, but Abka Fitzhenley are the lead man. You understand what I say? On his Twitter, all the information would have been placed there. I've been searching the Jamaica Constabulary Facebook page, I say nothing yet. So that's why I'm kind of all out for this story to call. You know, I want to make sure because that thing is kind of sensitive. Watch me now. It is believed, say P-Boy and leave it to them and a friend. Zane? Because P-Boy, I lock them and town them, I say, and the court them all actively, if you understand. And it's not P-E-E, and it's just P-Boy. You understand? I must say Patrick Boy, I mean, I know. All right, watch it now. The girl, it is believed, the young girl, me all have her picture and thing. Zane? Eyes them pretty and thing. Shiny girl, is a trouble too, man. Tell about them. You understand? It is two arch enemies, them and peeps. It's like, say, Donald Trump and the North Korean brother there, Kim Jong-un, have a said girl. You understand? It's like Melina, a link with Donald and a link with Kim Jong-un. Arch enemy. Watch this now. So them say a Titty Man girl and a P-Boy girl. But it is also believed that P-Boy, Patrick Davis, would have ordered the hit on Late Liberty Coke in Elsha last year. Remember, so them shoot up Liberty Coke. He might come from Elsha, you know. Remember that, you know. Reports are that it is alleged, it is being theorized that P-Boy would have been the one who would have orchestrated that hit on Liberty. All right, want to follow me some more. Watch me at all. Then you know, remember say P-Boy and then the man in nothing, you know. And this girl I know a link with P-Boy and a link with Titty Man. All right. Not Titty Man, P-Boy now and said girl would have gone to Gretna Green. I don't know if it's a motel or it's a hotel to spend some time. See? So remember, you know, Aisha or Alicia Jones are linked with two brother them. You understand? So she and P-Boy got a Gretna Green to go link up and spend some time. It is believed that she would have then now told Tittim and them, say she and him a got Gretna Green. So it's a setup thing, and that them a say. All right. So it is believed that Livity and Tittiman and Bamati them know Guffy P-Boy a Gretna Green. Can't go Rasta City at Tivoli. Me tell it out in the public and people and me I send none of this and me just share with you. All right. He was taken to Rasta City. I mean, here said the eyewitness would have given police a statement. It says a motel. Boy, no. I mean, hear about it one night time, but we never got there, sir. Yes. See him? Tittiman and P-Boy. Watch it out. So after P-Boy was set up, basically, he was taken to Rasta City in Tivoli. See, and he was interrogated by Tittiman, Livity, and Bamati. The eyewitness statement for the police them claims to them have are where nationwide I say them have is that Livity would have questioned him about setting him up and having men try to kill him after he left the Hellshire. See? Me say them must Livity cause some bad word, and the man said him say Livity shoot the brother in him chest. It goes further. It goes on to say that Bamatino, who is Lanchester Cook, placed P-Boy's body in the back of a car, the trunk of a car, while Tittiman proceeded to clean up the area. Peeps, me just telling you what me hear, what me read. See, me not even think I'm gonna do that story. But just share it with you what me read. I read it on Nationwide and from Apka Fitzedley Twitter page. See? Watch me now. The girl was subsequently arrested and charged. She was taken to court on Friday. Yeah, man, but me done say alleged already, Empress, a million times. See? When she was brought to court, she was denied bail. She was charged for murder and conspiracy to commit murder. Because, I'm not telling you, you know, she then now went to Rasta City, based on what the reports are saying, to watch P-Boy being murdered. P-Boy is supposed to be her man, you know. You understand? So she watch P-Boy being killed, which her man, by her next man, based on what them say, Tittiman and him family member. Tell her that woman thing, you know, easy, you know. You understand? So I want to tell the youth them saying in life, you know, yes, when you find a good girl and you test her and you like it all away fallible and we're prone to make errors in life. But sometimes we find some good girl and we bug it out for some better years in a real life. I not disrespect no woman, but some woman are road are real better years. You understand? Real thing. Cause right, you know, P-Boy would be alive if it wasn't for that girl. Yeah. So I said she set up the man, carry the man go hotel, make the link, make man circle him, take him away. Then she go down which part the man they go watch them kill the man. Based on where the stories them allegedly are say. Me have to whisper because me even want to talk all too loud. You understand me I say? Because you don't know anything go. Boy, I mean I know. Me don't trust people. Me say you can't trust people. Me buy my car cash. Some people are hear that in the Empress. I want to say that a million times with sentence. They don't hear that. The man I say, you know, say that boy when him teach them. You understand? Me I follow my mind pan that one. Me not go cover it. Them say always follow your instinct. When you feel wrong, it wrong. Me I make it stay away there. You understand? Yeah, man. We don't go read it pan Nationwide there. See? Sometimes you have to just see some things and leave them alone to your Empress. I just saw a thing. Just follow your instinct. Your instincts never wrong. Me almost advise it over, you know. But because me I say, you know, say, me don't know that girl anymore. I don't want to call her name wrong and then sit there. I say, you know what? I just go delete the whole I file it. You understand? So, me I left you there. No, we're not afraid for what? annoying J reviews, but at the end of the day, you have to know that some things not really worth it. You understand? What I go do for my channel in all reality? How many views that I get? How much money me gonna make off of the every day? You understand? So you have to learn to follow your own advice sometime. What does I make that one next day? We don't need a story there. You understand? And brother, I don't tell you this, I live my life in a fear, you know, but sometimes you have to just know certain things not worth it, brother. You understand? See? So watch out now, peeps. At that time story, sir. You want thing more time, I don't know, sir. See? Why I love you woman them, you know? And they say they love me most of the time, but I don't know. Big woman thing. Cause I don't know. It's a girl and not easy, you know. Yo! Ah, boy. Woman. You see, you know. You didn't say all crime of a rich fat man behind it. Most crime of a woman somewhere. I tell you that shit. See? So you go left the one there, but you don't even tell me that cookie, mama. From me tell you something, I do it, man. See? Watch out now, peeps. You know the respect with the I and I for one. Rodney Price, OC, Bounty Killer, OC, Warlord, OC, the poor people governor, OC, Grungad. You understand? And we know that Bounty Killer would have had a checkered pass. See? I not even know if him find a channel yet still, but DJ, if you're not the building, big up yourself. See? You know, say, Bounty would have had a checkered past. Bounty, like any other human being, would have made many missteps in their lives. He was young, you understand? And Bounty background and where I come from, saying it kind of influence how him do things sometimes. And him do enough wrong things in his life. But as Killer grow and as Killer has matured, Killer has improved so much as an individual, as an entertainer, as a person. The man has grown tremendously. Even Killer speech. Back in the days, I listen to Killer like a comedy. I not tell him like, and Killer know like a straight respect. No, you listen to Killer. It's like Killer went to university and read for a master's. Like right now, the man more eloquent than many persons. I know. You understand what I say? So a whole heap of little changes Killer would have made down the years. See? And here we go on now. Killer will be the first to admit that teacher, you know, so we do some things wrong in our past. You understand? But at the end of the day, still, we never do as many wrong things as some man. And we still they kind of get off with certain things and we could then look back and see with errors and we could then fix them. Now, Killer would have been on a mission to not only give back to the people who would have given so much to him down the years. You understand? But he would have also gotten in a frame of mind now where him leg off a certain foolishness, as what recently he did in a local thing with Footer Hype and Mataran. You know, me then do a video and say Killer have the most to lose out of this because out of the three of them, Killer the legend. Yes, Maggi is a legend as a selector. Footer Hype is Footer Hype. You understand? But Killer the man. You can't make them the man there. No disrespect to Maggi boy. Zane and Footer Hype. Draw you out certain ways. So I guess Killer looking at himself and him realize he need to leg off of certain things. He would have gone now, would have started his foundation, the Bounty Killer Foundation. And the first thing that he would have done was to give the Kingston Public Hospital along with the Victoria Jubilee Hospital 63 beds, much needed beds. You understand? And he said that was the beginning. For his Labor Day project, because Killer would have been on tour for a while. He came back on Saturday the 12th of the month. You understand? And he would have gone to the place of his birth, Jubilee, as well as the hospital that would have saved his life when he was shot in, I think, 1991. I remember. Zane. And them saved him life and thing. So he would have gone to those institutions and he would have donated 100 gallons of paint. And he not only give them the paint and left. The man take some time out for paint as well. You understand? He also delivered a 2-door fridge and a split AC unit. You understand? And many persons in the country have more than Killer and give back. Zane and Killer, despite all of the things that would have been through, and despite the people say about Killer, the man decides that you are going. We still are try to give back to the people. And the man say, I want to get into the education thing to team, but right now I'm try to save some lives before him save some lifestyles. Yo, the man not easy. You know? You see me, I say, so 1986. Oh, yeah, them time there, boy, me born yet? Something probably just. Zane? So what you know? Yeah, we go count now. So Killer, through his foundation on his Labor Day, would have taken time out to give back again, and I want to take this opportunity to say, well done, General. You understand me? I say, I know people, as Killer said, sing about how much money they have and how much house they have and how big them house is, how much care they have, and them now give back to the people and we make them. You understand? So, him and I try. I understand, and I'm second go this, and me personally want to take the time out to say, well done, General. I would have done the video by itself. But you can't count your Mario. When you go to school, sir, go back to school, man. You understand? So what you know? Big up yourself, Jenna. You understand? One General, 5-star General, Warlord, the most influential dancehall artist in the history of the music. We don't apologize to that. You understand what I say? So big up yourself, Godfather and peeps. I just want left it thing in a Sunday, yeah? You understand? Remember, you say a type. I lie, tell man, I count, you can't count, man. Sure. Me I load you up. Imagine how much class you have when you come in, you can't count, sir. So peeps, I then things are going on Jamrock since Friday. You understand? Land of food and water, Jamaica land we love. And then place. But I don't know which part I hear me born either. So I don't know now. I don't go and mash up on the bread still. Peeps, big up on yourself. You don't know, say, we are trying to keep the thing going. You know, say, I know we're regular classroom this, but we are teaching lesson, yes, so record it and go put it up in our next class. Class there and remodeling and reconstruction for 3 months, then give it. So you don't know the thing have to go on and thing. You understand? You too, big up on yourself still. You understand? And Google and them people there. I want to take the opportunity to big out everybody will take time out to come watch it Friday night and come again. We have a few more people in here than Friday night. Friday night, we think we have 50 people now. We'll reach up to 71 at the time tonight. So more people find out what I go on, and as time goes by, more and more people come over. The same 5 people that want to dislike the video when me a live stream, and the same 5 people dislike the delayed version of me upload. So like them people just want to see extra class. 5 of them, boom, 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 5 dislike. When I get a dislike over here since we start, because are the real people them over here, the 8 of them not reach it. But more on them reach. You understand what I mean? So peace, big up on yourself. We appreciate the support. You understand? And JA review say no follow back a man one night. But me don't tell him say the girl them follow back at me and him follow back at the girl them. So anyway, him take it. Him there. You understand what I say? So big up yourself at the JA review. Peeps. You know, so we appreciate the support to the max. You know, tomorrow again, we're going on the plantation. So we have some things to go deal with. You know, we have some exam paper to go deal with and thing. You don't know, government work have to do to cause a bill have to pay. No? My youth, some have to live. Poor. Some want to take time out to big up everybody where they are. But before we do that, I want to say enjoy the rest of your week. Zane, have a wonderful week, a productive week. Stay healthy, stay safe. You know the road code them, load the headphone them on the yard, load the whole heap of cash out on the pocket when you know go street. Just walk with the money where you need. You understand? Travel in a group if you can. If you cannot do that, always be alert, be observant. If you feel wrong, it's wrong. If you have to take public transportation, especially taxi, make people know where you're there. Make people know, so you just left there, so make people know the color of the car, the license plate number, give a description of the driver. Because we always up on my phone a text. You understand? So I could text something out, you can actually save a life down your road now. You understand? Instead of texting people business most of the time. Because that is how we do. You understand what I mean? So peeps, just do that. Have something nice to drink, have something nice to eat. But if you have to drink, don't drive. If you have to drive, don't drink. You understand what I say? Make some money. If you make enough, you can send some, come give me. You understand what I say? I don't say things. So peeps, Janet, Bert, Brute, Janet, I want you to give me a pronunciation in your name. Because I don't want to mash up your name, Janet. But big up yourself. Annie Alcini, hope me pronounce that right. Empress A, Danny Blackhorse, Danny, my brother. Good for you being at the building. J Dan 1, brother, now see a word. Vendetta Empress, you come here late and say you can't left early. Marjan Edwards, big up yourself, mommy. Angie E, that G, my brother. Manners and respect every time in a youth. Yeah, real people. Our next real youth here. Joker Free Speech. Manners and respect in a brother. Simple sin. Hey, beautiful. I can't see music. I can't walk one. A long time I don't see who shock, you know. I need to page him after I deal with. Romario Territory, Romario. Go counter. Zid. New Wave Entertainment. Millicent Thomas McDermott. My mother that, you know. Natural Reese, where you deal with peeps that from a long time, you know, people. Junior J. Julian Gillis, the Royal General, you know, the big brother that. You understand what I say? Junior Lewis. Who else me not call it? That's them people. I know Jay Chrissy didn't there. I know she gone in there. Ellie London, no, I go on. Ellie, me tell her if you email me, I'll know you email me, you know. Me I pray you. You understand what I say? Mr. Stinger 85, Mr. Stinger, man, as I respect you, brother. Tash, you know, me not call your surname, you know, because I don't know if I call it. Tony Brown, man, as I respect, you know. You know, say how much love. Enough ignorance. You know, say, yeah, me general like that, you know, ignorance. But tell us, you just joined the family recently and come like you're there from day one. You understand what I say? Peeps, I not find the rest of the name, them, you know. So big up on yourself, you know. Empress Love. BHW, you get a week time, you know. We love you said way. Barbara Campbell. Zane Peter Bryan, Wayne Cautious. Come like everybody that. CT Fabulous. Johnny Boy, we are deal with you. Johnny, where Renee there? Because Renee don't know what go on it, you know. Jaddy, we forgot page her differently, you know. You understand what I say? Article woman. Tamira 187. Zane, Peeps, Paulie P, man, as I respect your family. I hit that till them time there. You understand? We talk to you again Friday, 7:30. Same place, yes, sir. Over Gym Live JA until we can go back over teach them. You know, we upload and teach them every day, same way. So you have to just go and watch a video, them like them, share them, comment, and make everybody where you know. Zane. Make them know them to come across, come subscribe. Well, they're 40,000 now. I don't know if we reach 42,000 yet, but it'll go on. Giggles. Big up yourself, peeps. Enjoy the rest of your week. Walk good. Step with Jah. I'm out. I'm not out yet still, but I'm planning for out here now. You understand? Big up on yourself. Yeah, because you show me a voice and I tell you if you email me from the devil was a boy, Ellie London. And right now the devil turn big man and mash up your world and you still not email me yet. You understand me? I say live chat but brother, go and hold it, you know. Once there's live, there is up. Don't DJ World Boss, big up yourself, family. Good for you in the building. You know the thing go. You understand me? I say, peeps, take care of yourself. You understand? Keep on the 3 points. Walk good. Step with Jah. Them time there. Love.